Hi, grade 8 students. For today, we will be having table, tree diagram, and systematic listing. Ito yung mga ways kung paano natin maisusulat yung mga possible outcomes or yung sample space sa mga given situation. Have you ever heard a barista from Starbucks Coffee claiming that they have 85,000 combinations of coffee to enjoy with? You can add caramel, a squirt of cream, and vanilla instead of chocolate. When a company had this claim, they are using different variations on their favorite drinks or different ways to serve their coffee. This company uses a table, a tree diagram, or a systematic listing to make this claim. Example number 1, when you toss a coin, there are two possible outcomes. So, meron tayong head or tail. Let us list all the possible outcomes and how many possible outcomes are there for the experiment of tossing two coins. Let's say yung 2 coins na yun, yung isa ay 1 peso coin and then yung isa ay 5 peso coin. For our solution, the list of possible outcomes for the experiment is shown in the table below. Okay, so for the first experiment, we have example, lumabas ay head-head. So the outcome is both heads. Second, we have head-tail. Third, tail-head. And last, we have tail-tail. Listing the outcomes, we have head-head, head-tail, tail-head, and tail-tail. The total number of possible outcomes is 4. Aside from using table, you can use a tree diagram to help you find the possible outcomes using branches to list choices. It is a simple way to represent the sequence of event. So using a tree diagram, so the start, toss number 1, we have head, then tail sa kabila. Yung 1 peso coin and then the 5 peso coin. Second, we have head or tail. So, ibig sabihin, yung first combination, we have head-head. Second, head-tail. Third, tail-head. And last, we have tail-tail. Listing all the possible outcomes, we have, again, head-head, head-tail, tail-head, and tail-tail. There are 4 total number of possible outcomes. Example number 2. Use systematic listing in writing all the possible outcomes for the experiment in rolling a die. So, determine the total number of outcomes. Solution. In rolling a die, we have 6 possible outcomes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Example number 3. List all the possible outcomes and determine the total number of outcomes when a die is rolled and a coin is tossed. So, dalawa na to. Solution. By systematic listing, the possible outcomes are 1 head, 1 tail, 2 head, 2 tail, 3 head, 3 tail, 4 head, 4 tail, 5 head, 5 tail, 6 head, and 6 tail. The total number of outcomes is 12. So, using the table to show all the possible outcomes, so, ito siya sa baba. Using the tree diagram naman, so, pwedeng yung die ang nandito sa first or sa start. And then, andito naman yung coin. Pwede naman ganito. Ito yung coin. And then, madidistribute siya sa bawat lalabas sa die. So, ang lalabas dyan, head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. And then, tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6. Last example, number 4. Natalie is ordering a milk tea. She could have small, medium, or large milk tea. She has a choice of winter melon, Okinawa, or salted caramel. How many different choices of milk tea can she have? So, isa ito sa mga example minsan kung paano tayo o-order sa mga milk tea shops or coffee shops kasi maraming ang choices. So, ano yung solution natin? Make a tree diagram to show all the possible outcomes. Depende sa inyo kung gusto ninyo through table, through tree diagram, or systematic listing. Start tayo kung anong size. So, we have 3 sizes ng drinks. Small, medium, and large. So, after sizes, we also have the choice of winter melon, Okinawa, or salted caramel. So, sa small, sa medium, tsaka sa large, nakalagay yung tatlong choices na iyon. And then, for every choice ng milk tea, doon natin palalabasin yung outcome. Kunwari, ito, small winter melon. Anong outcome yan? Edi small winter melon, small Okinawa, small salted caramel. Ganon din sa medium and large. So, how many different choices of milk tea can Natalie have? So, there are 9 different choices of milk tea. So, meron pa tayong isang way kung paano natin masosolve aside from table, tree diagram, or systematic listing, yung pagbibilang ng possible outcome. But for now, ito muna yung tatlo. Sa next video natin, ipapakita ko kung ano yung isang iyon, kung paano natin masosolve yung possible outcomes. Katulad noong sa Starbucks, paano nakuha yung 85,000 na combination. I hope may mga natutunan naman kayo ngayon sa ating video. See you sa next tutorial natin. Thank you!